Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start Express super short program in Beko drying machine. To do this, first we'll need to select the program, and this one is located right here. Then next thing is this panel. Here you'll be able to adjust the level of dryness, or in this case it's not available. The only one that shows up is the iron dry. Next is to activate or deactivate LED lamps inside the drying machine. Alarm notification. When the program is finished, your drying machine will make a noise so that you can know it's finished. There's lower temperature, which is available. When enabled, it will increase the time for your drying. Then there's the planned ending, and you can set it, for example, to 1 hour, which means after 1 hour the program should exactly finish the work. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.